What's up YouTube? This is D Nix with another Ableton Live 12 tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you 10 shortcuts to speed up your workflow tremendously. If you haven't already done so, please take a little time, like and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Watch this video to the end and I have a bonus tip for you. Okay, let's get on with the video. Okay, the first shortcut we have, the tab key on your keyboard toggles between the session view and the arrangement view. Click the space button to play your project in Ableton Live. Click the space button again to stop your project from playing. A default Ableton session contains 2 MIDI tracks, 2 audio tracks, and 2 return tracks. To create a new MIDI track, press Shift, Command, and T. To create a new audio track, press Command and T. To create a new return track, press Option, Command, and T. To delete a track, highlight your track and press your delete key on your keyboard. Always remember Command S to save and do this often. Command C to copy. Command V to paste. To duplicate your file, highlight your file, press Command D. To consolidate your file, highlight your file and press Command J. I know I said 10 shortcuts, but I'm going to add 2 more shortcuts to help your producing experience to be a blast. If you're getting any value out of this video, please type in the comment section, value. To undo, press Command Z. To redo, press Command Shift Z. And now, as promised, the bonus tip. First of all, let me say thank you for watching up until this point. I really do appreciate it. Okay, for the bonus tip, we're going to create a shortcut to record. Press Command K, press the record button, press the letter R, press Command K again, press R, and you're ready to record. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos to come.
Let's go.